In this video, we're going to talk about the effective teaching methods for homeschooling. Are your kids zoning out during lessons? Maybe you just need the right teaching method, not just worksheets and lectures. Hands-on learning sometimes is really helpful. Like, for example, teach math by taking them to shopping trips, or help them count using their toys or stories or something really practical. Project-based learning is another thing which is great. So instead of tests, let kids build something, a lab book, a model, or a short video for that sake. Faith-based learning, as I always include in my videos, turn Quran memorization into storytelling. So, for example, if they're actually learning a surah, explain to them what the surah talks about. What are the key concepts? How they can actually apply that? What's the implementation in their life? That will make learning really interesting instead of just memorization where they don't understand the meaning. They're gonna build that love for the book of guidance. What's your favorite way of making learning fun? Share your comments.